yesterday? Yeah, that's about some S. Can we sing it right now? Again? Yeah, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Once again. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Okay, thank you everyone. Oh yeah, today we are going to learn about sound S, yeah? And I'll show you the picture that begins with sound S. Do you know what is this? Snail. Do you know what is this? Yeah, this is sponge. How about this one? Spoon. How about this one? Sky. What is this? Silent. Well done. How about this one? Yeah, this is socks. Socks. Okay, how about this one? Yeah, this is snake. Snake. Well done. How about this one? Yeah, this is star. Star. And the last one is sun. Okay, well done everyone. So now I will ask you one by one. What is the first sound of sun? What is the first sound of sun? Can you hear that? What is the first sound for star? Yeah, that's good job. How about this one? What is the first sound for snail? Snail. What is the first sound for snail? Yeah. Good job. How about this one? What is the first sound for sponge? Sponge. Sponge. Yeah. And last one is, what is this? Yeah, this is spoon. Spoon. What is the first sound for spoon? Okay, clap your hands first. Good job everyone. Okay, that's enough for our beginning. Now, are you ready to write on the worksheet about some S? Yeah, thank you everyone. So now, can you please take your worksheet that I give to you and then please open page number 1. Number 1. 1. Okay, so the worksheet will look like this. Yeah? Who knows what sound is this? Yeah, this is sound S. So what can we do in this worksheet is we're going to trace the sound and then write down by ourselves. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. Let's follow the line first. Start from the top. Yeah. Good job. Now let us trace the sounds. One by one. What sound is this? S. This one is S. Again. So, after we finish to trace the sound S, now we're going to write sound S by ourselves. So don't forget to do it from the top, down, finish. Again, finish. Make the big one, yeah. Yeah. Again. Okay. I'm finished to trace and write some. Now it's your turn to do it at home, and if you find any difficulties, please ask your mom or your dad to help you. Okay? So I think that's all from me today.